Warm greetings everyone. I am Rotaract Apeksha Ulak, creative lead of Rotaract Club of Pokhara GMC, back with the highlights of the month of October. We just completed celebrating our main festival, Dasai, a few days back. I hope everyone celebrated it with rejoice, caution, awareness and by maintaining social distance. Before getting into the project update, let's talk about plasma therapy. Basic principle of plasma therapy is to use the immune power gained by a recovered person to treat a sick person. The success of this therapy in severe cases of COVID-19 has been a ray of hope for the mankind. Our club has been actively engaged in spreading awareness about plasma therapy. Through this video, we urge every individual who recovered from COVID-19 to donate plasma and save life of another COVID-19 patient. Now, on to the project update.
Club Service Avenue. The first project is Letterhead Exchange to Rotaract Club of Ratnanagar Zone 2. The intra-district physical letterhead exchange done between Rotaract Club of Pokhara GMC Zone 4 and Rotaract Club of Ratnanagar Zone 2. This letterhead exchange marks our formal start of everlasting friendship. This letterhead exchange was done in Persa by our new emerging Rotaractor, Shreya Giri. The second project is Behind the Lockdown Showcasing Talents. Rotaract Club of Kantipur Dental College, in collaboration with Rotaract Club of Rudramati, Rotaract Club of Rudramati Pabarmal Kathmandu, Rotaract Club of Pokhara GMC, Rotaract Club of Patan Darbar Square, and Rotaract Club of Biratnagar Fusion organized an online event named Behind the Lockdown Showcasing Talents. This was an open platform to showcase any productive things you have done or any skills you have practiced in lockdown. The main objective of this program was to spread positivity to the world with your work, build a sense of connection with the world, motivate or encourage people to try something new, and also to spread a message that we don't have to create a masterpiece. There is a bit of our soul in all we do. International Service Avenue. Letterhead Exchange with Rotaract Club of Mumbai Katkopar. We are glad to announce on October 2 the e-letterhead exchange done between Rotaract Club of Pokhara GMC, RID 3292 Nepal Bhutan and Rotaract Club of Mumbai Katkopar, RID 3141 India. Letterhead exchange with Rotaract Club of Jamsoro. On October 6, the e-letterhead exchange between Rotaract Club of Pokhara GMC, RID 3292 Nepal Bhutan and Rotaract Club of Jamsoro, RID 3271 Pakistan has been done. This letterhead exchange marks our formal start of everlasting friendship. Community Service Avenue. The ongoing project is GMC Blood Network. Life is unpredictable. It's very common these days to hear news of medical emergencies. GMC Blood Network, an initiative by Rotaract Club of Pokhara GMC, has been put forward to all of us. The network aims to digitalize the blood group and necessary information to ease the process of searching a donor during a medical emergency. Finance Committee. Finance Committee of the Rota Year 2021 hereby presents you the quarterly financial report from the month of July to September. We request each Rotaractor to go through the report to get themselves assured about the assets of the club and its utility. Any of members having queries regarding the report may feel free to mail on the link given below.
Professional Development Avenue. Aspire to inspire. To be inspired is great, and to inspire others is incredible. Keeping this thing in mind, we continued our project Aspire to Inspire. This project provides Rotaractor with a platform where they can keep forward their words to inspire others through thrice a week posts in our Facebook and Instagram page. Aajko Sabda. This project was initiated from July 1st, that is the starting of this tenure. Every day a new Nepali word is published in our official Facebook and Instagram page.
Upcoming event. We, Rotaract Club of Pokhara GMC, are so proud to host Rotary Youth Leadership Award for the first time with the joint effort of Rotary Bharat. With the theme of Follow Your Passion, Defy Challenges, this 2 days online program aims for 100 plus active participants from different countries to give and receive lots of counselings and knowledge wrapped inside with bundle of fun activities and inspiring words from many influential people. Now, we would like to congratulate our club service director, Rotaractor Prerna Parajuli, for being selected as college ambassador of one of the prestigious and rising organization of country, that is Nepal Health Corps. Now, let's have a look at Rotaractor Shreya Giri's artwork and listen to what she has to say about it.
Everyone has their typical medicines to treat their moods. Painting has been the same for me. I have always seen myself struggling with the idea of expressing myself, to the fear of getting unheard. But ever since I started painting, I felt every bit idea, every ounce of eggs have always been flowing through my paintings. Painting has literally cut off all those chains of fears, rejections, and the guilt that have been haunting me in these past years. There are so many things I would have never been able to express through words. But if I could paint, why would I express, right? Every time I paint, I can feel my bones floating in peace and happiness. The solace it gives is something gigantic, something unusual, something astronomical. There were times I couldn't sleep myself to tears. There were times I couldn't believe in myself, times I could just run away from everything. Painting has helped me thoroughly. I wish everyone could find what has brought them happiness in their life and also search for things that could bring happiness and gravitate them towards their ground.
That was it for the month of October. The Festival of Lights, Tihar, is here. Do celebrate it without contributing to the spread of the virus. I will be back in November with more exciting projects. Till then, stay safe, signing off.